Now, how can I create that? I go to Options, Configuration, and then Custom Fields. You see custom fields here? And you have every piece of transaction of Magaya, you have it here. You will select where. Okay, in that case, it is a booking, but you can do it wherever you need it. And then you want to say bookings. In the bookings, you will just add, type a name, select a type. The types are text, number, decimal numbers, date, money,
yes, no.
lookup, yes, no. You have all the types there. Another detail here is that you can group the custom fields. Let's say group 1, group 2, group 3. Let me show you how that works. If I come here, please don't create any custom field, okay? I have enough. So let's say that custom field here will be in the group 1, right? Category 1, let's say category group 1. And then if you want to that custom field appear in the columns, in the views that we're going to see later, you have to put it like allowed to be reported by this field. If you don't want for the field appear in the tracking for the customers, you have to add internal use only. So group 1, this other will be. No, pero no me las apaguen ahora si vamos a hacer el ejercicio. This one will be in group 1, and let's say that this one will be in group 2, right? Allowed to build reports. Okay. Now if you go to the booking list and you open a booking, you will have custom and group 1, group 3, group 2. You see? And then if I click here, I have that 3 custom fields grouped by. That is something that you can do also. Okay? So guys, that will be it. So what is the next step here? We're gonna be working right now. Now we have Magaya, let's say we have Magaya set up to be used. Okay? We have Magaya ready. Actually no, I want you to add some let's think and let's add some charges in Magaya. Okay?
So you want to
Yeah, let's say that we need to add something that is not already in Magaya. Think. Any charge.
LCD.
No, no, eso está Magaya.
loading screening fee?
Come. So I need 6 charges in my eye right now. So think each one of you. Well, I need actually 6. I need 2 from this eyes here, 2 from this line, and 2 from this line. You will be the second one. Loaded. Loaded, right?
Yes. So charges.
We're talking about
Yeah.
other freight charges or?
Charge. It could be other, it could be freight, it could be other freight. You will tell me what type of charge will be and why.
Is the charge like is not in the system?
Yes, someone. Yes.
So I'm ready for mine. Happy hour.
Happy hour.
You guys jump in whenever you want. I'm adding a charge.
No me lo.
I'm adding a charge, right? I'm adding a charge.
Adding a charge?
Yes.
Wow, you
No, account.
are cooler than Antarctica.
Under account.
the accounting team, the accounting.
Oh, okay. Let's help. Saying here we are not helping.
Next.
Advance charge of account.
You are, remember, I'm adding an item.
Items and services.
Yeah, a service is something that you are selling to your customer. A fee that you are charging your customer with.
Okay.
What will be?
Loading.
Loading.
It's a service.
Loading.
Yeah. Like admin.
But which one is that? This is the where you are charging the customer or the one that you are paying for your vendor?
I'm charging the customer.
So it's not a cost for you. Okay. That loading, you charge based on what?
To load containers.
It will depend in the container type,
Yeah. Well, yeah, but
and then,
the rate will.
but it will depend only in the container. It will,
Yeah, only loading.
only in the type of the container. That will be it.
Yes. Oh, that's to create an expense. That's
You
if
pay
I-
for it or no?
That's no.
It's just an
They
income
pay
for you.
me, the customer pays.
And that's it.
Yes.
You will never be paying for that.
No, because I'm loading in my
If it is
warehouse.
that will be it. Okay.
Because I loaded on my warehouse, so I'm charging it.
Thank you. Hey!
Thank you.
Lourdes, your time. Yeah.
No, porque los hermanos todas llenas de gérmenes. Ensucia todo el mundo. Happy hour.
So Ali, I need you, Ali. So send her. I want to do it. Remember, I've been doing that for 10 years. And you always say, yes, we understand that. Do it.
A los mejores panaderos se les quema el pan.
Once you do it, you learn. That's the truth.
Leslie, $40. And the costs are.
That would be a cost for you. Are you paying for it?
Here, no, this is what I wanted
You can do it, I will do that way. But not necessarily. Remember, remember, if you go, you should go out and find a new bag. It will be always the any airline will be a price. No, normally when you do the charge definition, you don't say any time. You will be using it, you will be using it. What you are doing in that list is just creating a problem. You don't have to serve anything, just chart. Why? Why? Because if you just serve vendor, so if you use the concept, but that means every time that you will be adding that screen fee for every airline, for every whatever, will be the Or in the area, or in the race, or you can just typing it. No, for services, you don't use Fairway. What? What? What are the students? Finish. Okay, who did it?
So what do you say about that? It's a creative
Yeah.
So we don't have to explain it, or?
If it is reserved, why yes. Remember, guys, you will be the masters of Magaya. If there is, you have to know if you have to or not. And this always will. What I show you right now is the tool. What are the options that you have? If it's gonna be or not mandatory or necessary, that will be defined by each company specifically. For example, for me, I will be always have like I asked her. She created like the loading fee. And I asked him, will you be paying that at some moment? No, for me it's just a fee that I charge my customer. So that's it. You don't have to pay a cost. It's just the income. But let's say if you are creating another fee, whichever it is, and then in that case you have to pay for that fee, you have to create the cost. That is the reason why. But if not, you don't have. There is no you have to. You know. It is, if I need, I do it. If I don't, I don't.
Unless I'm paying another.
Unless I will pay, exactly. But if you're not paying, what you have to understand is whatever you do here is always. What you apply here is always. And always is a lot of time. And time changes things. So what I mean is, if you are not sure that it will be always, don't define in that part here. For example, that's why I don't recommend that in that chart definition you set a tariff or a rate or a price. Because if you put it here, it will be always, in any situation, that will be the price that will be defined. So if you don't have a price and you define case by case pricing, just type it. Once you use that in the transaction. Remember, we are not working with Magaya yet. We are just configuring the system. We are just adding definitions to the system. We are not in the part where we are using Magaya. We are just creating the information needed to work. Okay?
What if we have like one general rate for, let's say, everything that's ocean freight? Okay? And then we have specific rate for several customers. If we define those rates, general here for everything that's ocean freight.
Great.
Rates on any.
You will see that later. You will see that later. So you yourself, come here and add something.
Yep.
Yeah? This one. That's the number of the invoice. When I say number is whatever code you will use to identify your invoice. It could be a number, it could be a combination of number and letters, it could be just there. Okay. At the chart, what charge do you have? What charge?
What charge?
Again, let me take you out of that screen. What we are doing is adding an item and services to your system. She already adds a loading fee, okay? And then I don't know the name. She had the happy hour fee, and then what true charge will you add?
Repack.
Repacking fee. Yeah. I don't know if you have one already in my,
Como? We have one already.
I don't know.
Yeah, we do.
We have it. So you have to add another one.
Waiting time?
Think in any charge that you,
Waiting time?
the,
Whatever. Document scanning.
yeah, do it right. Everything in capital letter. Remember that what you type here is what will be in the documents that you will be sending for your customer.
¿Sí?
Now everything is a mess.
Vaya. Mira que yo tengo un lío ahorita, no tengo pagar en mi trabajo.
Dale, que yo sé que tú eres más curiosa que eso, vaya. Do it right, go
Mira, aquí
slow.
está bien chiquito. Y
Yeah, go slow, go, calm. There is no rush. Just, and the only thing that I need is you know how to do it.
¿Qué más necesitas? That's it?
Document. No, I don't know what you did.
Document. Scanning fee.
What type it is? Other freight? What is that?
Para mí es other.
Why?
Porque no está relacionado. It's not related to either to freight. It's. I mean, you'll add it whenever you need it, whenever it's requested. It's not related.
It is other because it is a flat fee that it doesn't depend.
It doesn't depend on
on weight, volume, container type, any characteristic of the commodities, neither in the origin and destination. It's just a fee that you charge once. Okay, it's all, that's right. And what else?
Podría ser aquí.
Yeah, you can use that. Remember, that will depend on your.
La contadora me va a
decision.
regañar porque
Sí.
she wouldn't put it there, she would put it in miscellaneous.
Ah.
Pero,
Did you pick this? I cannot.
¿verdad, doña?
Documentation.
Oh, okay.
Pero,
You should see it.
I can see it here.
Pero ella me dice que es algo muy importante. Esta certificación debe ir a un contador. No simplemente nosotros en operaciones.
No, claro,
Que
eso no es-
estudiantes hay acá.
Esa definición no es operativo. Sí, pero remember, today you are not operativo ni contabilidad. Today you are still certified in Magaya.
since this is not,
No? No debate. No debate. Magaya, you have to mind. Everything is there, everything.
okay, since this is not created, this you'll create every time someone asks you to scan a document, you're gonna add it to the shipping or whatever.
Yeah, you are-
Can I add a price here? Or that's where you said.
Remember, if you put a price here, it will be the price always. The same price always. If you do it here, it will be that way. You can do it. But you have to know what is the you know? And again, remember, what I'm showing you here, look at me how I present things. You are not accountant, like you said. I'm not telling you that you know what is the correct specific account. What you have to learn today is that you need to put an account and the type of that account have to be income. That's the only thing that I know. Not today, because for the periods, but what I need to know is that. And then when someone asks you, you have to say, the same I say, no, I don't know what account will be. The only thing that I can tell you, you decide what account. But the only thing that I can tell you is that it's an income account. Period. So is the decision of your accountant who will decide the name of whatever, but it has to be an income. That's what you have to know. No matter if you are operation or pricing or salesperson, you are being certified by higher today. Okay? So, documentation, income, that's it. Okay? And then, it is something that you are not paying to anyone. It's just something that you charge your customer, right? So you don't have to add IRCL one. Perfect. So, the blonde girl there? You?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I did add one there already.
Add another one. So, guys, whatever you add here during the exercises, try to do it like seriously, because remember that everything that you add there, we can see it and can use it. And then when we start working with shipments and things, that thing will be there. And if it is trash, we want to have trash. You know what I mean, right? So if it is a chart, try to add someone that is here. And beautiful, like capital letters and the dash and everything.
And if it's wrong, we can remind that, right?
Exactly, because if it is wrong, we want to be using it wrong later on. I will realize that, but it is not the purpose. Perfect. That price there is like a flat fee.
Yeah, for each stretch wrap that we use, that we palletize, it's a $350 per.
That means that every pallet
Every pallet.
is
If we
$350.
do 10 pallets and we have to stretch wrap them, and we do $350 per pallet.
per pallet. Okay.
That we do.
So if it is that the case,
Per pallet. It would be per pallet.
you
so
should
it would
be putting like by piece. Go to instead of here,
Put it on
put it in
top.
tariff, and then you put it by piece and set that rate.
Okay.
So it will
You
be
see by piece, so Mariah, if you have like 10 pallets, it will be 350 times 10.
So where it says pieces, I would put the value.
Yeah, you put pieces, and then more than one, 350. Yeah. Guys, do you see the analysis here? She's doing a flat fee, but that fee applies by pallet.
Yes.
It's not like a 350. It's not just like 350. So she was putting it in the price here.
But shouldn't that go in pricing, not in your account?
She was putting it here. You see? Huh?
Shouldn't that go once we get to rates and pricing, not in your chart of accounts?
No, this is not chart of accounts. We are in the items and services. And again, what you define here, the difference of doing there, what you are saying is that will be like for every, it's not specific for nothing. This is like a general price. Because this is
It's going to be a flat fee
yeah,
for the.
remember, it's other. For others, you normally don't have rates because it's not variable, so it's not a rate, it's just a price.
So how about if she adds in the description and she says like at the end per pallet?
No,
Okay.
never ever do that. Remember that I start explaining that definitions is only one. Only one. The other thing is how will you be charging that? Because today, for example, for me, she can charge per pallet. But for another customer, she can say, okay, it's not per pallet. It will be $200, and that's it, because there is a lot of pallets. And then, will you have one definition for every situation that you will have in life? No. The definition is only one. Remember, that is accounting definition. That will be, you want to have it in reports, profit and loss, and in a lot of places, will be the invoice for the customer. So, the charge, never do that. If you add me that way in the test, you will be like out without discussion, No, seriously. you cannot add charges per situation. Okay? You add the charge only one. A stress wrap is a stress wrap. Later on, every day you can have different situations on how to apply it. That you will define it in every situation, not in the definition. Okay? That's great. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, type 0 there. You can do it in any. Yeah. You pay for that?
No, we charge.
Just charge.
Yeah, we just charge. We do
Okay.
the service and we charge. Yes.
That's perfect, guys. So thank you. If you now what I want to show you right now, I want to give you an idea on how guys what I'm gonna show you right now, we finished. Okay, this is the first objective is covered. Okay, we should know so far, and then ask yourself if you don't know, ask me or study. We should know how to configure Magaia, every small detail there, how to add entities in Magaia, carriers, customers, how to define accounts in Magaia, how to add charge to Magaia, that later on we're going to be using for rates and for invoicing the customers. And now what I want to show you is the warehousing operating from here. The not going deeper,